Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can solve this question, that is the best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, if this question comes up in your interview, how you will take approach and explain to your interviewer, I will be showing that in this complete video. But before starting the video, I just need to show you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe, okay, because here you will get a lot of coding related videos, and I also have different playlists. Like this is the complete playlist which contains the videos from recursion, arrays, strings, and a lot more video. You can go through it if you're preparing for your interview. And this is array playlist, this is string playlist, and this is recursion playlist. So these are the different playlists which I have created. You can either go one by one or you can go through this one which contains all of that at once. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting any time. So let me explain a bit about this question, for which you can understand this question very easily and solve it. Okay, so you will be getting an array, that is the prices array. That is basically a stock. You can assume any stock, maybe Tesla or maybe any stock. You can assume that stock has some price on some day. Maybe on day 1 it has the price of 7, then it has a price of 1, then it has a price of 5, and so on. Okay, so what we have to find, we have to buy the stock in a lesser price and sell the stock in a higher price. Okay, we want to maximize our profit, means we have to be greedy about this and we should return a maximized profit at last. And you should not buy in a higher price and sell it in a very lower price or a lower price. Okay, that you should not do. Okay, and one more thing also you should handle, like here if I give you an example, 7 and 1, which one comes first, 7 or 1? 1 comes next to 7, so you cannot buy on 1 and sell on 7. Okay, that is also not possible. So that kind of all the scenarios you should handle. So we have to traverse this complete array. Okay, so while traversing this complete array, what we can find out, we have to first of all find out the lowest price and store here. As of now you can see, as we are standing in 7 and lowest does not have anything, so let us store 7 here, okay, as lowest price. So if my current price, means lowest price is 7 and my current price is 7, so my profit becomes 0. Okay, so initially my profit is also 0, so I don't also need to update that. Okay, because I'm not making any profit here. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to simply move to the next index, and when we are moving to the next index, here we are getting 1 as the value which is lowest than this, so we have to update this. So basically instead of 7 I will have 1, but when I have 1 and my current index where I'm standing right now, and that is also 1, so profit is again 0, so no need to update the profit. Again I will go here. Okay, so when I go here you can see like my lowest price is 1 and this is greater than 1, so we don't need to update this lowest price. Okay, but profit here we have to update, because see 5 is the highest value, so 5 minus 1 is what, 4, so 4 is the profit what we have it here. Okay, similarly we will increment the index, then we'll go here, as 3 is not less than this, so obviously we cannot update this lowest price. So 3 minus 1 is what, 2, which is 2 is not greater than this, so we will not update the profit, as 4 is more profit. Then we'll go to 6. So when we go to 6, you can see 6 minus 1 is what, 5. Then we have to update this one because 5 is greater than 4. Okay, then we will go here, and then when we come at the last index, you can see 4. 4 minus 1 is what, because 1 is the lowest price now, 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 is less than this profit, so maximum profit what we can achieve is 5. So that is why they are returning 5. So let's start coding. So first of all what I'll do, I'll store the length of it, prices dot length, then I will store the lowest equals to infinity, profit equals to 0. Okay, so let's run the loop. Let I equals to 0, I less than length, I plus plus I will be doing. At the end I will be returning the profit. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to first of all just find out the lowest. Okay, math.min, which will give me the lowest value. Initially we are storing a very high value, and then what we have to do, we have to check whether our lowest value is lowest or the current index, means current index wherever I'm storing in this price array, that is lowest. Okay, means whatever the lowest price is, we are basically storing in this lowest. Okay. So next we have to find out the profit. So for finding profit, we'll simply write math.max, and it will take current profit, because maybe this current profit whatever we have, that may be the maximum, so that's why we are having this profit. And for finding the profit at this index, what we have to do, we have to, whatever index we are standing minus the lowest price, that is what we have to do. So simply here I can write the prices of I minus lowest. Okay, so let me run it and show it to you. You can see 2 test cases passed. So let me submit my solution. So you can see I have submitted my solution and it bits 58.75% and 212 test cases passed. So if you liked my approach, then please subscribe the channel, like this video, share with your friends. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.